Best EMF output for infrared saunas. Number 1. Healing Forest, EMF output for infrared saunas. Our one-person far infrared sauna is 0.01 mg 2 mg EMF and personal portable saunas for home, mostly spaced between 0.01 mg and 0.5 mg, near the heating panels, between 0.7 and 0.9 mg. In short, anywhere in the sauna is below 2 mg. This radiant sauna container can be set up and folded in 1 minute. It is convenient for you to moving. Folding design is more suitable for travel and easy to place in the bedroom. This electric thermica sauna shelter needs 35 minutes from 60F to 140F. Gently temperature rise of 0.01 mg 2 mg and sauna will not cause burning pain on your skin. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. Lucan, EMF output for infrared saunas. Large enough for one person. Enjoy sauna at home. Excellent sound system can let you enjoy the charm of sauna and music at the same time. 1260W power can quickly reach the temperature you want. It can be adjusted during 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for indoor use. You can adjust the temperature and the time according to your needs with the control panel. Quality materials. This gorgeous sauna is constructed with high-quality natural Canadian hemlock wood which emits natural wood fragrance. A beautiful and durable wood that serves as an excellent heat insulator. Its glass is tempered for reliable longevity. The intelligent entertainment system is equipped with 2 high-quality speakers. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. Zone Meal, EMF output for infrared saunas. Compact size, perfect for at-home use. This indoor sauna kit comes with everything you need to get sauna spa at your private room, including heating foot pad and foldable chair for comfortable seating. A collapsible design conveniently folds for transport or storage. The infrared sauna design with carry strap. You can pick it up or pack it up when needed. Wired controller for timer and auto heat setting. Time setting up to 60 minutes. Maximum temperature reached 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. Friendly design, easy access sit-in with 2-way double-headed zippers. Convenient hand access zippers for book/magazine reading while enjoy sauna spa. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Durasage, EMF output for infrared saunas. Low EMF far infrared, lowest rated EMF/EMR infrared sauna compared to our competitors. Surround your body with heat being delivered by 3 low EMF carbon heating panels. Simple setup, unfold the sauna, plug it in, and enjoy the power of infrared in any location. Save room by easily folding up the sauna and keeping it out of the way when not in use. Comfortable, you can enjoy reading a book or using your phone/tablet while you relax. Melt the stress away after a long day at work. Heated foot pad, integrated into the sauna is a heated foot pad which can be controlled via remote. Perfect for those who are on their feet all day. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. EMF output for infrared saunas. Home personal sauna that generates far infrared heat that helps with joint pain, increased circulation, and removing toxins from your body. It is the best choice for giving Christmas and holiday gifts to family members and elders. Install 1200 watts low EMF carbon crystal heating plates and negative lawn oxygen bar that help provide safe heat and air circulation. It allows you to ensure the oxygen content in the air while taking a sauna, just like experiencing sauna in the forest. High-quality material made of natural hemlock wood, lightweight but durable. It is a good heat insulation material, and paired with strong, high-temperature resistant tempered glass, it has a reliable service life. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.